friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter V. These words start with V. Van, vegetables, and volcano. Van, vegetables, and volcano. I'll start with V. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter V with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big V or the little V? Okay, let's draw the big V first. Draw a line down, draw a line up. Good job, friends. Let's jump, jump, jump. Great job drawing a big V. Now let's draw the little V. Remember, it's much smaller. Draw a line down, draw a line up. Good job, friends. Let's jump, jump, jump. Great job, friends. Let's do that again. Draw a line down, draw a line up. Good job, friends. Let's jump, jump, jump. Great job, friends. Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter V. Thanks for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.